What's the meaning of calling card? Calling card. Calling card.
Calling card. Calling card. A calling card can refer to a physical card with one's contact information, used for networking or introductions. However, it can also mean a characteristic or behavior that is representative of someone or something. For example, a chef's use of a specific spice may be their calling card. In essence, a calling card serves as a unique identifier or signature that sets an individual or entity apart from others. It can also be a way to leave a lasting impression on others, whether in business or personal interactions. Overall, a calling card is a symbol of identity and distinction.